So what are we doing with Pathfinder today?
Oh, I just got a couple of loosey-goosey things under the hood. Want to just lift her up and take a squeeze? Yep.
Oh, she's a heavy one.
All the way. Yeah, I know, it's a little bit painful.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I can see her right down there. Just hold it up there for a second.
Yeah, all good.
Hang on, a little bit further. A little bit. Alright.
It's getting pretty heavy, Max.
Oh, hang on, one little second.
No, I don't think I can hold it for much longer.
Yeah, hang on 1 second. Nearly got it.
No. Ah! Oh! Oh, sorry, Max.
Yeah, mate. I think it's about time. I need to install some of these.
Oh, what are they?
Mate, they're brand new bonnet struts.
Better get to it then, eh?
Yeah, let's dive right in.
Righto guys, welcome back to another Aussie Action 4x4 episode. And today,
we're going to be installing some brand new gas struts into the bonnet of the Pathfinder. Currently, it's held up by the dodgy little factory one. It's really short, and if you don't use that properly, you're going to drop it on your face. Alright, so the first step of this install is of course going to be unboxing these, making sure they're the right length, just sort of line them up roughly. Then we'll rip out this factory doohickey, make sure the bolts come out easy, and it should just slide in nice and smoothly. Let's go. We pull out this bolt here and we will be chucking the little base bracket in its place. Hopefully threads aren't too messed up and she screws right in. So now we'll just tighten up this bolt, get it nice and snug. Alright, so now that we've got that very bottom bracket in, we'll remove the top bolt on the passenger side that we're on, and this will be where the top of the strut will go in. We'll bring in the strut, figure out which way it goes, something like that. Slide her up, chuck that nut back on. And that looks pretty Gucci. Now we slide the bottom boy in, and it'll be Gucci. Alright, can I get one of you boys to help me with the bonnet? Alright, just hold it there. Alright, and of course we're using spring washers. Spring washer goes on first, nut goes on second. And then we'll grab our ratchet with the right size socket this time. Tighten it up. Sweet.
All good to let go then?
Just let it go slowly. See if it holds. Oh damn, it holds with just one. Alright, so that's the first strut installed. Now we'll move on to the next side, repeat the same process.
I know we grew up a little too fast. I miss the days that we chill and relax. Where did the time go? It all passed, now I need to go back. I had no worries but always had plans. The only thing I did was pick at the trash. Now it's much harder to laugh, hard to get up and then work on my craft. I need inspiration, don't need no validation. No more medication, just try some meditating. I don't need you to save me, feel like all of you hate me.
You're supposed to lube these things.
Oh yeah, if they're not lubed in the beginning,
Yeah, I might put some grease on it.
Oh yeah.
Alright, so of course these are pretty cheap struts just off eBay, so what I'm going to do is just chuck some grease lube up in there. It'll hopefully smoothen them out, make them work nice and smooth.
I just wanna run away. I don't know what else to say now.
Now we give her a go.
Now please.
What the heck? Why is it all white and creamy?
Because I use lithium grease.
Alright, there you go folks. Is like the mouths clicking around.
Go down.
That's just the height, right?
Okay.
Just chucking some old engine oil. over these doohickeys. Hopefully that'll soften them up a bit, make them glide a bit easier.
I mean, you should be fine because that's like cushiony stuff on the top, hey?
Alright, and now that we don't have some silly stick pointing up in the way, all you do, grab with your hands and push it on down.
Ah, Max!
Oh!
Ah!
Alright, and now let's see if it can bring itself up, or if not, will it at least hold itself up. Oh, just gotta get your hand in here a bit. And up she goes. A little bit janky. Hopefully these things wear in over time and they're not permanently like that. But there you go. She stays up. Alright guys, thanks for watching today's episode. As always, if you want to subscribe, you can click on his face. And if you want to see last week's video, click on my face. And as always, thanks for watching. This is Aussie Action, out.